Pero may napanood nga po akong recent, content niyo po kay, Sir Jason po
Yeah.
na sa gabi po kailangan din po for respiration po.
Yes.
So, I'm planning to apply the same
Yeah.
practice po.
Yeah. So we had Jason and I, Jason Sarmiento, hello brother. So we had a discussion because there's a common, I'm not saying wrong, but it's just a common misconception na pag sa gabi daw, walang photosynthesis, pwede mong patayin yung irrigation ng tubig. Actually, I'm not saying it's wrong, but it would be better if you also turn on your irrigation at night because apart from photosynthesis, photosynthesis is actually the plants convert the light energy into chemical energy. To sum it up, photosynthesis is to make sugars. Sugars, glucose, yung pagkain ng halaman para lumaki sila, ma-improve yung health for reproduction, against plant diseases, para magamit nila yun into energy, kailangan ng process called respiration. Importante doon sa paglaki nila, ma-convert nila yung sugar